Hello and welcome to another episode of Spirit Seeking with Pratick on Sound Health Solution. As if you have been one of our subscribers and one of our followers, you will have surely noticed that this channel is all about different aspects of spiritual, mental and physical health. And in the last video, we were speaking about incense sticks and the smell of incense, how incense burning is important for a spiritual practitioner. And I told you about my list last time. And I have a new list given to me by my friend who does not want to be referred by his name. So I'm just going to call him NKS. So I have his list and he has told me how incense burning and burning different kinds of incense sticks has helped him. So here goes. So I told you that frankincense has soothing properties, but he claims that frankincense has anti-depressant qualities. He says that frankincense, it activates ion channels of the brain that release positive emotions and delay the feeling of anxiety and depression. So I experienced myself frankincense being very soothing, but it is a new fact for me too that it has antidepressive properties. So he says that when he listens to good music, his creativity is enhanced. And in a similar way, when he burns agar wood, also known as agarbatti, his sense of creativity gets heightened. His creativity is stimulated. It's like the smell of agar wood goes and plays around with his nerve endings so that his spectrum is widened and he can see in a wider perspective, hence making him more creative. Now, everybody knows that there are certain stimulants which help you to sleep and battle insomnia. When it comes to incense, I think patchouli and lavender are the two main incense sticks, are the two main incense types that help you get a proper sleep. And if you're not feeling sleepy or if you suffer with insomnia, these two incense sticks have sedative properties that slowly take you into your dream world and you wake up the next day feeling rested. Now, this is also something new and interesting. Some incense types can also function as aphrodisiac. While they also make sure that you're stimulated sexually properly, they also seem to alleviate confidence, build confidence in you. The two sexual incense types are jasmine and vanilla. Now the last one is based on my personal experience. I sometimes suffer with severe headaches. They sometimes cover up half of my head and at other times the whole of my head. But if you burn rose incense stick, it tends to release serotonin from your brain, and slowly, like a natural morphine, you start feeling that the pain subsides away, it fades away, and hence you are back again into your peaceful, healthy self. So this was another video about incense and different types of incense sticks that one should use for different purposes. If you liked the video, if you think the video was helpful for you, do not forget to like the video. If you've missed any of the incense types, do not forget to comment down below and share this with your spiritual friends and your close circle. And if you like whatever is happening in Sound Health Solution, do not forget to subscribe to us, because we promise to bring you new and more engaging videos, informative videos related to spirituality, mental health and physical health in the future. Let's build a community of new age enlightened human beings. Until next time.